We're looking at Maharashtra's minister who now finally admits to a lapse by the police in not ensuring an FIR, a delay by the police in Maharashtra for not filing the FIR in time. In fact, we're looking at Maharashtra Mantri, who's appealed to end the Rail Roko protests. He's right there, present at the spot, Girish Mahajan, requesting the protesters to stop these protests and assuring them that investigation will be speedy and the guilty will be brought to book. Maharashtra minister accepting lapses as well by the police officials. The minister vows action against the police who erred. Cops behind the delayed action will be suspended. That's the assurance coming in from Girish Mahajan, Maharashtra minister, who's rushed to the spot now to kind of pacify those protesters who are demanding nothing less than the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde himself to arrive and address those crowds. That's been the demand from the protesters right from the start. They've been blocking trains in Badlapur railway station there for the last 6 hours. So ever since the protests began, they've been demanding that Chief Minister Eknath Shinde come himself and address those protesters and assure them. Though Eknath Shinde hasn't, his minister, we hear that Girish Mahajan, beg your pardon, he's arrived there at the protest site and he has assured that the cops who have erred will be suspended. They will be punished for not taking up the FIR in time. That's a big update that we have on 2 girls, minor girls, who were molested inside the school premises by the man you see on our screens here. He's the perpetrator, the school sweeper, who allegedly assaulted the 2 4-year-old girls while they were in school. Shocking case of apathy by the school itself, considering it's a 60-year-old school, a well-established organization, which did not even check on whose hands the young girls were left. You know, the sweepers, cleaners should not ideally have access to those minor girls. How did this man make his way through? How did the class teacher not see it? And of course, we see the principal, the class teacher, both have been suspended for this case, and this man has been arrested as well. But the crowds there protesting, demanding that Chief Minister Eknath Shinde himself arrive and address the crowds. Until then, they want to continue the agitation.
गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से सीएम साहब ने कहा है, डीसीएम साहब ने कहा है, देवेंद्र जी ने कहा है, शिंदे साहब ने कहा है, अजीत दादा ने कहा है कि इसके ऊपर एसआईटी रखी गई है, इंक्वायरी होगी, फास्ट ट्रैक में भी ये लिया जाएगा। जो भी इसमें दोषी होगा किसी को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, सबको सजा होगी, क्योंकि ये घटना इतनी शर्मनाक है, इतनी गलत है कि इसका समर्थन या किसी को पीछे छुपाने का कोई सवाल ही नहीं आता। मेरी सबसे विनती है, सभी राजकीय दल जो है उनसे भी मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि इसमें कोई राजनीति मत लाइए आप।
Well, that was Girish Mahajan, who says, don't play politics, we are taking action, the guilty will be brought to book, cops will be suspended for the lapse here, but I appeal for the people who are protesting to withdraw the protest and stop this Rail Roko agitation.